you got off the plane this morning. There's a subdivisional hospital there, so that's the sort of size of...
Okay.
This division, central division, the population, so this is where they kept.
Your own nannies?
Yes.
Yes. Who help them?
Yes.
Okay.
Between the
Is the other one okay?
going out to my 30s. 30.
3-0.
Which are obvious, most just one nurse, some of them,
Yes.
out in the remote areas. So they,
They do
cold
all the
chain and they can look
immunizations.
after it.
They do immunizations.
Must meet Dr. Fong.
But what if, even if it's the population is small?
This is Dr. James Fong, who is the president of the Fiji Medical Association.
Okay, nice
This is
to meet you,
Dr.
sir.
Tedros, who's visiting
Nice to meet you, sir.
Ethiopia, who's one of the candidates nominated for the WHO Director General position.
Oh, I see.
So Dr. Fong is one of our gynecologists.
Vishna, this is the central hospital.
This is
The referral hospital.
yes, division, we call it division. We have a huge problem with
No, first of all, I would like to thank the government and people of Fiji for their hospitality. I'm really impressed by the level of hospitality you have since I arrived here. You have to keep that culture. I feel really at home, and I can see how warm Fijians are. So thank you so much indeed. This is from my heart. And my visit to the hospital, thanks to the Minister of Health, the Permanent Secretary is also here with us, and the head nurse and other staff of the Ministry of Health. I had a very good visit. Of course, today is a Sunday, and they came to show me around. Of course, the hospital is busy even on Sundays, so I had a chance to see some of the services they provide. And almost all of this is a divisional hospital, as you know, one of the 3 divisional hospitals in Fiji. And it has almost all of the services that a hospital needs. And the hospital, I think, gives comprehensive service. And we have also discussed not only the services, but some of the challenges also they face. The important thing is it's not just the hospital alone. Many of the patients we have seen, their illnesses could be prevented. And strengthening the primary health care is important, or having stronger primary health care is very important. And that's what the Fijian government is doing, strengthening the health system, starting from the nursing station, the health center, the subdivisional hospitals. I think it's the integrated services, starting from the front line, the nursing station, which will really help address the major problems, the health problems the country has. And having, a nursing station at the front line, 1,000 stations, is very important, because it's through those nursing stations that we can reach out to the bulk of the community and teach communities on how to prevent the major non-communicable diseases and communicable diseases. As you know, because of the change of lifestyle in the country, non-communicable diseases are increasing, and I have already seen the focus that's given to the non-communicable diseases. So the government's policy in focusing on primary health care, on prevention, is very important, and it's commendable. So I hope the government will continue to really push aggressively on that respect, especially on smoking that causes many of the health problems, as you know, and also, inactivity, less activity, which causes triggers many health problems, and of course, use of alcohol. If this can be prevented, I think many of the major non-communicable diseases we see can be prevented. So I really appreciate the government's focus on the primary health care, and that has to be, continue to be the focus.
This is Valley Level Health Center. We cover the biggest division
lunch breaks here. This is Dr. Ashish.
There or something, you see it on screen.
Yes. Just got in end of December last year.
Okay.
Something incident.
From the divisional hospital.
From here, the main one, yes.
From the color, what do they call it?
We have our dental clinic in the last room.
Ah, on this corridor?
Yes.
Okay. I thought the other building.
For today, we have our special outpatients, our diabetics and hypertensives who attend clinics here on the
Okay.
side roads. And we have our radiology and pathology on that side, plus our children's IMCI, less than 5 years. They are usually seen in the room on the weekdays, but in the weekends the doctors just see them.
Okay. What are the most frequent cases you see in your?
So we refer all the suspected cases there and they will fit.
Okay.
Pneumonias, we have pneumonias, we have diabetic sepsis, abscesses, we send our samples to the we do chest comes coming in and helping me, so the workload is less. But before we would be only 2 working in the afternoon shift or 2 working in the weekend, so the patient to doctor ratio
Yeah,
is
doctor.
better.
Okay. Any other challenge?
Resource-wise as well.
Is service here free or
It's
it's free?
We have a free medicine scheme, which means for 140 different medicines, I think.
So consultation could be with the private?